Racing just started with touch of class. Break quickly at a start. Moving up on the speed of the wind. Mount Panama in the middle. Blue Shake while Mapagtiis is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. When going along for the first turn, we have touch of class. Moving up now on the outside to take the lead speed of the wind. 3 lengths for the back. In third comes Mount Panama. 8 lengths down in fourth comes Blue Shake while Mapagtiis is now running at the tail of the field. Half mile distance they traveled. We have the speed of the wind by over length and a half. Mount Panama moving up on the outside. Touch of class drives back into the 8 lanes for the back. In fourth comes Blue Shake while Mapagtiis is still racing in fifth. Another fourth turn we have speed up the wind, maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. Mount Panama wins second, and in third comes Touch of Class Mapagtiis. Now moving up to take fourth, Blue Shake is done in fifth, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Mount Panama now takes command, and here comes Mapagtiis moving up on the outside and now saying it's my turn to take the lead. We have Mapagtiis with a breakaway run by about 4 lengths over Mount Panama, Blue Shake, and finally it's Mapagtiis. Second is Blue Shake, then comes Mount Panama, Speed of the Wind, then Touch of Class.
4-3-2-5.
Right. It was Mapagtiis. From last to first, talagang tiniis lang niya.